Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your online class from Ikra English High School Standard 2nd. I am your subject teacher for English 2 and this is our book Get Going Grammar.
Student, so today we are going to learn English 2 Standard 2nd and chapter number 3, yesterday and today, which is called tenses. Now let's start the lesson. Read the following passage about Natasha with the help of your teacher. Write the word shaded in blue under today and pink under yesterday. Let's start. Today Natasha is very happy. She is telling her mother about her friends and teachers at her new school. Yesterday she was a bit nervous. She did not know how other students would treat her. She was also worried about her teachers and the sitting arrangement in the class. She told her mother that everyone in the class gave her warm welcome. Her teacher also welcomed her. Then all the students clapped for her. The monitor of the class offered her a rose flower and said, "We welcome you to this class." Natasha also said, "Thank you all," and quietly sat down. So, what is there in this paragraph? Natasha, a girl. She is happy today, but yesterday she was a bit nervous and worried also. Why? Because she did not know that which kind of friends she will be get, her teacher will be how. She doesn't know these things. That is why she worried. But now today, after going school, all the students welcome her. All students clap for her. Monitor of the class offered her a rose flower. So think, these things happen with Natasha. So now she became happy. This is the difference between yesterday and today. Now let's understand. Go further. Yesterday. Yesterday means past. Now let's start to solve this. Here it is given that blue under today and pink under yesterday. So which words are in blue color? They are today's word, and which are in pink, they are of yesterday. Let's start. So in today we should write first she. See, it is today. Second word is, which is used for present, so it is also come in. Yes. Now for yesterday, pink color words. So first we will write. So we will write yesterday. Now the second one was, which is used for yesterday. Was also come in yesterday. Now this you have to complete this. Let's see. Today means present now. Yesterday means past. The words shaded in the blue tell us about present action, and words with pink tell us about the past action, which is already I have explained to you. Go further. This is the word meaning. You have to learn it and keep it in your mind that word meanings is necessary for us. Let's start. Happy. Happy means cheerful. A bit nervous. Felt uncomfortable. Treat her. Behave with her. Worried. Anxious. Sitting. Sit allotted to her. Sitting arrangement. Seat allotted to her. Warm welcome. Met with open heart like a friend. Welcome. Received. Offered. Gave. Quiet. Without noise. So I hope you all understand the concept of yesterday and today. Now let's start our exercise. One example I have given for you, and let's see how it is going to be done. Exercise 1. Write an appropriate day with the right action word from the bracket to fill in the blank. Write it on the given model. For example, today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, so we have to choose is or was. Now see. First, today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday. Second, yesterday was Wednesday. Then today is Thursday. Complete this. So you have to complete exercise 1. Now exercise 2. Write an appropriate date with the right action word from the bracket to fill in the blanks. Write it on the given model. Let's understand. Today is 15th August. Yesterday was 14th August. We have to choose is or was. First question. Today is 31st January means today is 31st January. Then what should be yesterday? Yesterday was 30th January. We have to select was. Start doing exercise 2 and complete this. Now let's look at exercise 3. Look at the given pictures and complete the sentences selecting right words from the brackets. Write these sentences on the given model. Today is Sunday. I am playing cricket. Yesterday was Saturday. I was doing my homework. See, what is the main difference? If we are talking about today means present, then we are using am. And if we are talking about yesterday, which has been taken in our life, then we use was. Let's see. First, today is a holiday. So we have to choose from this. Am swimming or was swimming. So it is about today means present tense. Then we have to select I am swimming in the pool. Okay, let's start exercise 4. Look at the given pictures and complete the sentences selecting right words from the brackets. Write these sentences on the given model. See, today is Sunday. We are playing football. Here is